Let's look at this NECO question 2025. The length of a classroom window was measured as 400 centimeters. Find the percentage error if the actual length is 399.5 centimeter. Now, to solve this question, this is a percentage error question. It's very simple. What you need to do there is what? The formula is error over the actual measurement multiplied by 100, and that is it. So from this question now, so the window was measured as 400 centimeters, and the actual measurement is 399.5 centimeter. So the difference between the error measurement and the actual measurement is 0.5. So to do that, let's see now. So the difference is the error is 0.5 all over the actual measurement, which is 399.5 multiplied by 100. Now to multiply this, so since we are multiplying with 100, so we are going to move this decimal point twice. So that will be 50 over what? 399.5. Now 50 divided by this, we are going to have is 0.125. So if you take calculator, if you divide it, this is what we are going to have. So I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.